Hi, I'm Matthew Lucas from the JCB demonstration team. Today I'm going to show you the servo controls on the JCB Backhoe Advanced Easy Control. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to dig a trench. The first part is to get into position. Then we select the excavator mode, activate the button on the right hand lever, green light goes on. Stabilizes down. Release, boom lock. Next, stretch out the arm for the first pull. So let's look at the levers. Left hand, this is for the dipper. Forward, backwards, out and in. Left and right, obviously for the slew. Right hand lever. Forward, backwards for the boom. Down then up. Right then left is for the bucket. Open and close. Right, to dig a trench, you have to pull both levers at the same time and then roll your right hand to the left. Now place the material 1 metre to the side of the trench. Slew right and move both levers forward. Then move the right hand to the right to empty the bucket. Now start again. To carry on trenching, you need to move the machine forward. First, lift the loader arms up. Push the machine forward. Put the loader arms back down. Reselect the excavator. Then you can carry on trenching. To get a safe and good trench, you need a front end needs to be flush, flat faced, and a nice clean smooth bottom. And that's how you dig a trench using servo controls.